Mywifiext not working. Easy steps to solve this issue. 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to the extender's network, not your home Wi-Fi. 2. Use correct URL. Enter http://mywifiext.net in your browser, not the search bar. 3. Use a wired connection. Connect your extender to your device via Ethernet for a stable connection. 4. Clear browser cache. Clear cookies and cache to avoid login issues. 5. Verify IP address. Open the extender's default IP, e.g., 192.168.1.250, directly if mywifiext.net fails. 6. Restart extender and router. Power cycle both devices to refresh connections. 7. Use another browser. Switch to another browser or update your current one. 8. Disable VPN/firewall. Temporarily turn off VPNs or firewalls blocking access. 9. Reset extender. Reset to factory settings using the reset button and try again.